Hello everyone, my name is Prince Kumar and I'm a student of BSc-IT last year from CIMAGE Group of Institutions. In this particular video, I am going to explain a topic in SQL Server, customizing display in SQL Server. So let's see what is that. So with the help of a problem, I would like to introduce this particular topic. So let's assume that a person who is not well knowledge, he is not belongs to the any kind of technical background, and he wants to show the result of employee table about the hire date. So there is a column called hire date, and hire and date is not separated by any kind of space, and there is a year after that month and the time step including the millisecond. And a person who is not well knowledge, who is not belongs to the technical background, is not able to understand properly. So that's why this topic is introduced in SQL Server, in which we can customize as per our need of any kind of table, column of any kind of table. So this is about the what part. After that, so why this particular topic is important in SQL Server? It is important because the clear understanding and for generating a good report for any kind of we can say decision making, it is very important. After that, so let's see how we can modify and how we can customize a display of SQL Server. So this is window of my SQL Server, and I have a database called AdventureWorks. This is the database, and I have a table something known as employee. So I'm writing some query like,
just increase the font.
okay sir. So whenever I am going to execute this particular line of query, because of this particular asterisk symbol, whatever rows in the employee table is going to display. So there is a hire date, and suppose that I'm a person who is not belong to the technical background, and I want to show the only year of joining of any kind of any employee. So that's why this particular topic is introduced. And after that, so let's see. So suppose that a person who is not belong to the technical background, and he want to show the only year of a person who year of hire date. So that's why this kind of problem can be solved by using customizing display. So if I will execute this particular line of query, so there is only year of employee, there is only year of hiring date is getting show, and it has also a problem, nothing as on the column name is getting show. So in the customizing display, we can customize the display using three things. First is that we can give the modified whatever we are going to we can say whatever we are going to paste and that particular column name, after that the original column name. And second thing is that original column name after the with the help of an space, after that in the pair of quotes, modified column name. And another thing is that original name of table, original column name of table, and after that modified column name. So let's see one by one how it's getting executed. the first thing I'm going to explain option first thing, a modified column name, and after that equal sign, and after that original column name. So here the original column name is hire date, and I want to show as joining date. So there are only one line of code, so we can execute without any selection. So here it is showing joining date instead of hire date. After that the second, original column name and with a space modified column name. So original column name is hire date, and with a space modified column name I'm going to put a space. After that my modified column name is joining date. So whenever we are going to execute, it is so whenever we are going to execute, then the result is going to show. After that, with the help of as keyword, first of all we need to put the original column name and after that modified column name in a pair of quotes. So original column name, this is hire date is original column name. After that as keyword, as, and modified column name should be date of joining or anything that you want.
Rather, you can write a year of joining.
Yes sir.
Because you are extracting year.
Yes sir, and we can here write the year of joining or date of joining, joining date. So it is showing as date of joining. So this is all about how can we customize the display of output. It is useful because of clear understanding the person who is not well knowledgeable in data kind of things. So this customizing display can be helpful. Thank you so much.